What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Nomadic King channel. I'm James Showers, cleanest name in the biz, and today we're taking a look at my leather tool bags, giving them a good scrub down and oiling them up. For you guys who are a little too impatient to make it through this video, here's the quick snapshot of what they look like when they're all done. For the rest of you, grab your acorn, sit back, let's enjoy the show.
Well, this is what we're working with at the moment, so let me get this set up and we'll get this video started. Alright, looks like we're ready. Got the tool bags right here that we're going to mess with. Now, I've already kind of taken all the tools out and dumped most of the drywall out. But I'm going to go ahead and turn these upside down one more time in the garbage can. Make sure I get all the little bits of drywall out. Then we're going to go ahead and open that box, get the little scrub brush, scrub these guys down. Now I have some obanafs Clean It right here. It's a leather cleaner. We're going to try that out, see how that works. If that doesn't work so great, we do have some saddle soap over here. Now I do have leather oil, obanafs, and I also have leather preserve. We're going to try that out. So we're going to take these pads off. Maybe we'll do a little bit on the inside of these pads, but we're going to get these out of here and strip these things down and do one bag per each sink.
Now the process after we've broken all the bags down will be to spray it with the Clean It. Now this is only after you've gotten all of the dust and debris off the bags. Now I'll use this Clean It to wetten the bags, and certain areas where there's still built up dust from drywall, I'll spray it down in there and I'll wipe the excess moisture off with a paper towel. Now I do have a little scrub brush that I'm using, and that's to kind of just get off any kind of build-up residue from the job site and to get into the tight little cracks and creases from the folded leather. Now in this process, we are just doing the cleaning. We're going to clean these bags thoroughly. That's going to take a little bit of time here. We're going to let these bags dry out, and then we're going to start applying the obanafs oil, and that is also a lengthy process. I've broken it down to about 15 minutes. Hopefully you guys can enjoy it. Let me know what you think of the music I've added and this small amount of commentary. Comment down below as always, like, share, and subscribe. Other than that, just enjoy the video. Let me know what you would have done different if you would have done it at all. Peace.
This is about the time when I started using the paper towel to clean out inside of the folds. Now it's pretty hard to get down in between that leather, so I'd spray that Clean It inside there. It would soak down a little ways, and then I could use that paper towel to wipe all the excess drywall off. A little bit of the stain maybe came off as well. That's why the paper towel is kind of a brownish color, but it was taking off quite a bit of the dirt and drywall, so I was satisfied with that. Now this is about the second time I've ever cleaned these bags, so I'm learning different tricks each time. A lot of people will use an air compressor or some kind of compressed air to spray off all this excess drywall. You can see inside that pocket that I folded, there's all that gummed up drywall. I was kind of amazed. I decided to go ahead and try cleaning off as much of that as possible. As you can see, it looks a little bit better before I fold it back. Now you can't do that with every single pocket you have, so I mean, it is what it is. You're gonna get in as close as you can, and that's what the paper towel was helping me achieve. Rant over. Enjoy. Finally, wrapping up the cleaning process on these bags. Now, I feel like this took forever. Every little piece was just soaking up a lot of that Clean It, and it just took forever to really wet and soak everything. Now, I let everything dry before we started applying the leather oil, but that is the process we're coming to next. Alright, we grabbed the obanafs leather oil, and I'm using the applicator inside of this little bottle here. Now, I felt like I was either putting too much oil on or not enough oil on while I was using this applicator, and I'd like to know a better way of applying this oil for next time. But what I was doing was putting this oil on pretty thick. It says be very liberal with the oil that you're adding to this leather. And then I would take that cloth and I would buff that oil into the leather and wipe up any excess oil that is on the leather. Then you let it soak up into the leather, and yeah, that's basically the end of the story. So enjoy this part, and let's get to the end where we can check out this leather all put back together. Now this was quite the long video, but it's finally over. We have successfully cleaned and oiled our tool bags. Now I've let them dry and we can take a look at the final product. There's a few little splots where they haven't fully dried, but the next day when I took them to work, they were looking pretty good. They are still looking pretty fresh as of now. I feel like it's brought back a lot of the color, and it's something I should probably do more often. I noticed that belt was definitely dried out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Was this video a complete waste of your time? Did you enjoy it? Did you watch it because you had nothing else to do? Like, share, subscribe, all the good stuff, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.